You're good. Oh yeah, that's nice. You're not so good. But now you're talking about a car that I already said no check engine lights, mechanically sound, it looks good, everything is good, the condition was good, and they gave me an offer of $147, which is absurd to me. So if anyone wants this car, I'm taking all offers over $147.
Ready for the drive back to Colorado. This is a prime example of an exotic car that you can get into very affordably and be more affordable than most cars out there. And if you know the right company like I know,
like part of the lower control arm or something like that. So if that broke off.
so this is the 2011 Maserati. It's getting new rotors, front and rear, new pads as well. This side is the accident side. The front bumper, the fender, all that's been taken care of in here. Some of the wiring was kind of smashed, as you can see from the electrical tape, oodles and oodles. The upper control arm, the lower control arm, that was all replaced. The old rotors look like this. Pretty nice, but absolutely well used for 24,000 miles. That was like perfect. Like zoomed all the way in and then wait. The cleaning every piece is the difference between quality and just kind of slapping things together.
They tried to catch you. They tried. They just couldn't, baby. They just couldn't. Let's go. I do shit accordingly.
So this was Rob Ferretti's Maserati. It's a 2011 Gran Turismo Sport MC S-Line 4.7 liter engine. Mouthful.
Don't do shit affordably, but that shit you talking, dog. Yeah, that shit be boring me. Come from where they wanna be, something that they never see. I'm a star, boy. Don't do shit that drip, that shit be. I got the rings, I got the trophies, I got the gold. Whoa, whoa, I got the power like I'm on TV. One call, you'll be ghost. I do the dash.
So it also got new rear tires. Here, we'll check this out. You see how they're bald on this side and there's tread on this side? It's because the alignment was off. They had wires coming through. Which, is this the one? I don't think that's the one. There. Ouch. Stabbed myself. Yeah, so you got wires coming out on this one also. Yeah, definitely needed new rear tires. This car, when I bought it, dents all along the crease of this door. So where you can see that this part meets this part right along this edge, there was a bunch of spots, maybe 3 or 4 on each side, where other car doors had been smashed into it, along with a pretty good knot that was up here, and I'll show you that right now.
Do it fast, everything I do's not slow. I am a king, I have a dream, I want it all, so let's go. Are you not entertained? Is this what you came for? You came for a show. You came to see me, so watch me. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. I'm just trying to get these bands. I just came up with a plan. I was born to be the man, yeah. I was born to be the man. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. I was born to be the man. I just came up with a plan. I'ma see it to the end. Try and catch me if you can. I don't think they have a clue. All this shit I had to do to get where I am right now. Had to fight life like a zoo. When I made it, they said, who? Please don't act like I am new. I've been running for a minute, bitch, I ain't stopping for you. I gotta ask, who is the champ? Please point him out. Oh, cause if you're the champ, I need the crown. I need it now. Let's making waves. Yeah, I've been running through the waves, but you don't wanna catch a fade. No.
After we removed the knots out of the doors, the top, went completely over the entire paint, gave it a wet sand, removed all the clear bra. Made everything shine evenly, got rid of swirls. As you can see, it's a very smooth paint job that was resurrected just by a wet sand. A little bit of TLC. Minor cosmetic thing, the wheels were painted same color, black. There were some nicks in them, hard to see in some of the others, but there was a nick in this one up here.
Are you still not entertained? I know you are. You came to see me. Wow. You came for the show. So watch me. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. Catch me, catch me, catch me if you can. I'm just trying to get these bands. I just came up with a plan.
Alright, so it might be difficult to hear me because A, I got a mask on, and B, next to the highway. As you can see, yoink. But this is the completed state, or this state is the completed Maserati project. When we bought this car from New Jersey, it had the damage on the front end. So this front fender and all this stuff back here was what was screwed up. After we went through the entire body, or over the entire body, got rid of that clear bra that was turning yellow, wet sanded and smoothed everything out, put some nice window tint on it, repainted the wheels, went over the engine front to back, gave it a clean bill of health, made sure that the engine and transmission were working in harmony. And after all that was completed and everything was put together, this is the final product.